Hello YouTube and welcome fellow knife enthusiast. Today we have a CMB Made Knives. And does it say what's on it? It's a model, the Lurker CMB 10B. Handle, Micarta, blade, D2, surface, black, made in China. So you get a zipper pouch. It's really soft and flush on the inside. Get a quite large microfiber cloth, it looks like. And the knife. Now I purchased this off of eBay. I'm not sure how much these are. I would like to say around 50. Could be wrong. It's in D2 with a black micarta handle. Now, I've been wanting to pick up another CMB knife because I was really impressed with this CMB knife that I picked up. Just has absolutely amazing action, as I really screw it up on video, of course. But really awesome action on this. And I did sharpen this and put a mirror edge on it. But really heavy knife, feels really well made. This one has a nice deep carry pocket clip. And one of the best feeling axis locks I've ever felt. But this one, you can spidey flick it pretty easily, but the detent's like perfect for a spidey flick. I feel like they could have made this a little bit taller. It would have made it just a little easier, or maybe put a little bit of a cutout. I think they could have easily just put a slight cutout in here. I don't think it would have hurt your grip at all. I mean, this knife feels really good in the hand. Really ergo, and the action is just absolutely fall shut. You can just see how smooth the action is on it. I mean, instantly is back on the detent track. And it can be very, like, want to chop your finger off if you get it right underneath the flipper there and the flipper misses. It comes right down on your finger. So you definitely want to make sure you disengage it up high, and then it's instantly on the detent track and just falls shut. I mean, the action. This has to be ceramic bearings. Now, I don't take apart my knives unless it's necessary to service them. If I feel they need oil or something like that. If they need cleaned out because they got pocket lint in them and they're not working the way they should. But as long as they function the way they should, I don't take apart my knives. This ain't going to be the channel you watch where you'll see disassemblies. Maybe once in a great while, but not usually. I find no need to take apart a brand new knife. Definitely not a deep carry pocket clip. I did carry this on me today, and quite a bit sticks out the pocket. I don't really mind that as much as some people. But if they went in and put the linear hole here, made it a little bit more deep carry or something, still it carried really nice in the pocket. Kind of feels like a heavy knife for what it is. Does not feel nearly as heavy as this one though. Guess we can get a weight on it, see how much it weighs. .35. It's a little heavy. Out of curiosity, let's see what that one weighs. 4.9. So half ounce heavier. I guess we can get a length on it. Looks like we got about a 3 3/4 inch blade length. So really good blade length. A little over 3.5 or so. Just about 3 3/4. Then handle be about an 8 1/4 overall. How about some size comparisons? Go against the Ontario Rat Model 1. About the same size. Ontario Rat has a little bit more of a handle. Blade, pretty much the same size. So it's going to be quite a bit bigger than the Ontario Rat Model 2 then. Really common EDC knife. Civivi Elementum. Quite a bit larger than the Civivi Elementum. Yes, I did put a mirror edge on this. But against a Demko AD 20.5. You see, it's quite a bit larger than the Demko. About the same handle length. Of course, this is like a Tonto sheep's foot blade, so probably should have got out the other one to compare it to, but it's upstairs. And how about a knife I thought this one reminded me of? It's going to be this EF. Don't know the number. In D2. This one has a deep carry pocket clip. Feels like a fixed blade in the hand. The handle is so big. It's just a big, like heavy duty handle. And this one feels like a large knife. See, it's about a 1/2 inch longer on the handle. Almost the same blade length. And I don't think I can Spidey flick this one. No, I can't. But somebody might. This is a really, really fat knife, though. So you can see. It feels really fat. But definitely need to get some more pocket time with this. Do an update video on it. tell you what I think about it in a week from now. But I don't think I can thumb flick. Oh yeah, it's actually quite easy. Actually has quite a satisfying thumb flick. Usually the thumb slots like this, wow, this might be the easiest thumb flicker that doesn't have a thumb stud. I can't believe how easy that is. Definitely has a good D10 on it. It's locked up nice and tight, no blade play or nothing. Definitely can recommend these CMB Made knives. I don't think they have a whole lot of knives out either. Pivot seems tight still. Just checking it. But man, that just absolutely falls shut. Completely falls shut. Centering looks perfect. Kind of wish they would move their little badge to their pivot. I kind of like when the makers put their logo in the pivot, kind of like the CMB does. And then they can have a nice clean look on the blade. I don't mind where the D2 is there, that's fine. I like when they put it on the flipper tab and stuff too. Don't care for a whole lot of badging on my knives. Especially since if you're going to use them heavily, it's going to get scuffed up anyways. Or like my CRKT fossil, everything just wears off of it. But I've really used that thing and abused it. Good lockup. It's not... It's a little light. It's probably only about 20% maybe. Maybe 24%. But it feels good. Don't feel like it's going to come out. Definitely impressed with the action though. I mean, that thumb flick is just... It's kind of satisfying with this. Huh. Who would have known? Well, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this. Oh, and we didn't do the size comparison to the QSP Penguin. This is a giveaway knife. So if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. The 250 subscriber giveaway is still live. Go back, watch the video for it. We'll be giving away this knife this Thursday. So make sure and check out that video. And you can see it's quite a bit smaller. But absolutely love the QSP Penguin. Well, thanks for watching. And stay sharp.